Just a quick video showing some of the seeds we have started indoors so far. So we start a lot of our vegetables in reused containers. I save whatever I can. Margarine containers, pudding containers, any containers from stuff that plants I've previously purchased. I just keep everything and cuts down on an extra expense. I try to have soil kept in some pots that I bring in and thaw out and reuse as well. And sometimes I do buy a bag of potting soil here and there. I took these videos around the 1st of March, and there's Joe clearing snow yet again while I'm inside planting some veggies. I got some tomatoes, peppers, celery, ground cherries. I'm trying loofah this year. I thought that'd be a neat thing to try. So yeah, we're aiming to be as self-sufficient as possible here on our homestead, and grow everything we can possibly grow. We have chickens coming this year in June, and a chicken coop to build, and we would like to build a greenhouse this year as well. No better time to be self-sufficient and grow your own food. Please hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, the thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.